The expected price of a BAT in 2023 is between 0.2909 and 0.3820, and this is a very important factor. Basically, the cost of that token could soon hit 0.5, which would be a big negative number. The average BAT price prediction for 2023 is 0.1606, which is a very large amount in this basic factor. Kind of paper BAT expected cost for 2023, 2024, and 2030 will mostly look at price examples of that by using exact merchant-friendly technical analysis tips, and will try to predict the future growth of cryptocurrency in a sort of serious way. Important thing to think about kind of token that is clearly a utility badge of a blockchain-based automated advertising foundation of Valiant, which is really big. The Fearless browser is a security-focused program, or so they thought it could be seen as an Ethereum promotion. A fundamental token that was mostly sent out as an IRC20 token in 2017, or so they thought. It is usually used as the payment token for clients who do reviews for content creators and sponsors. Important thing to think about kind of token 24H technicals kind of basic thought really token that value expectation 2023 in every practical way important thing to think about in every way a token BAT is 103rd on the list of companies by market value, and the factors of its market value are the endpoint of the basic thought. The expected token price for 2023 is explained in detail below with a day-to-day time frame that counts in the above chart. It's important to note that there's an almost level channel, also known as a sideways pattern. Usually, this kind of flat channel is formed when prices stabilize, which is why it's important that the upper trend line, which connects the highs, and the lower trend line, which connects the lows, run in the same direction. The price of a kind of basic consideration token that was usually listed at 1.92 cents was recorded in a quiet way. If the current trend continues, the price of BAT could reach the resistance levels of 0.2317, 0.3308, and 0.5808, but if the trend changes, the price of BAT could drop to the support level of 0.1629. Thing to think about a kind of token that shows value 2023 VADs in the summary below. We mainly look at the strength and unpredictability of most underlying factors. We do this by using the following technical analysis tools, such as the Normal Directional Index, ADX, and the Relative Volatility Index, RIX. Review file. From the above diagram, we can see that the price behavior of BAT is a lot like that of BTC and F in a very important way. This means that when the price of BTC and F goes up or down, price of BAT goes up or down, too. This is a really big deal, and it means that price predictions for 2024, 2025, and 2030 can be made with the help of the technical studies mentioned above. Between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030, the BAT will mostly be used as a joke. Conclusion. F by and large basic consideration token that secures itself as if for the most part wise interest in 2023 this year would really be perfect for the digital money type instead of what most people think all in all the bull ish genuinely fundamental consideration. Truly token that cost expectation for 2023 is 0.3802, which shows that at the time of the study, the price of genuinely fundamental consideration truly token that really was recorded at 1.92 cents. Amazingly rather assuming ominous opinion is set off the bad kind of fundamental consideration. Very important that the price prediction for 2023 is 0.1606. This is especially important if the market force and financial backers view definitely raises very important consideration. Unlike what most people think, BAT could actually do better than its current all-time high of 1.92 cents with future improvements and changes in the symbolic environment. In addition, offers new ADH Fact 1, generally, what really matters is by and large fundamental consideration token. Generally, what really matters is by and large fundamental consideration token. Generally, what really matters is by and large fundamental consideration token. Generally, what really matters is by and large fundamental consideration token. Generally, what really matters is by and large fundamental consideration token. pretty token that doesn't try to be something it's not. It's been listed on a number of crypto exchanges, including Binance, Ox, Deepcoin, Bybit, and Bitrue, which are all big three. Extremely token BAT usually come to another app soon, which is a big deal. This is because there are always new developments and updates on the extremely fundamental consideration most certainly token stage, which has a high chance of reaching its ADH soon. This is why they thought for lovely, despite what most people think is the all-time high F of sort of essential consideration, truly token BAT, which is very important. What is the current all-time high price of basic consideration token, which, contrary to popular belief, hit its all-time low ATL of 0.06621 on July 16, 2017?
Payment proposals, real estate deals, and Arthur Hayes' thoughts on the Bitcoin price. Even though there were a lot of interesting things happening in the crypto world on Friday, Bitcoin's price went down a bit, selling at $26,126, a drop of over 1%. In a surprising move, a U.S. presidential candidate has said that he wants to pay his workers with Bitcoin. This adds to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. The Cayman Islands, on the other hand, are about to start a real estate change by selling homes backed by Bitcoin, which will usher in a new era for buying and selling homes. As these changes happen, Arthur Hayes didn't hold back when he said Bitcoin is the best. U.S. presidential candidate wants to pay workers with Bitcoin. Francis Suarez, the mayor of Miami and a presidential candidate, wants to pay himself with Bitcoin if he wins the presidency. He takes cryptocurrency as part of his pay as mayor, and in a recent interview, Suarez praised the strength of cryptocurrencies in the face of flaws in the traditional financial system and political uncertainty. He is determined to make Miami an even bigger center for crypto and a supporter of technological progress, easy access to money, and fair sharing of wealth. This choice is in line with the growing trend of politicians, like former President Donald Trump and current President Joe Biden, who support cryptocurrencies even though they have different ideas about them. This vote of confidence in BTC helped it lose less today. Bitcoin-backed real estate is making it possible for more people to live in the Cayman Islands. As a result of a partnership between the Bitcoin financial services company Ledn and the local agency Parallel, there are now real estate chances in the Cayman Islands that are linked to Bitcoin. The partnership makes it possible for Bitcoin owners to use their cryptocurrency as collateral for loans to buy real estate. Permanent residency is a golden visa chance for investors with assets worth more than $2.4 million. Even though BTC/USD is going down right now, this news may cause it to go up, showing